Every row you insert, update, or delete lands somewhere inside a heap file. Understanding that physical layout is what separates a developer who writes good SQL from one who can explain why a query is slow or broken. A table heap is simply a flat file that Postgres slices into 8 kilobyte pages. Each page is self-contained, a header describes the page, line pointers index each tuple, and the tuples themselves pack in from the opposite end. When transaction 713 updates row 2, Postgres does not overwrite the old tuple. It sets Xmax on the original to 713 and writes a brand new tuple at the next free slot. Both versions coexist on the page until vacuum reclaims the dead one. The ctid is Postgres' raw pointer to where a tuple lives on disk. It encodes the page number and the slot within that page. Indexes do not duplicate row data, they just store the ctid and let a heap fetch retrieve the actual columns. Selecting ctid alongside xmin and xmax lets you see the MVCC envelope around each tuple. After the update, two versions of row 2 exist on the same page, one with xmax set marking it dead, and one live version at a higher slot number. When a column value is too large to fit inline, Postgres silently redirects it to a companion toast table. The heap row stores only a small pointer. Compression happens first, so many large values never actually leave the main page. The PG_attribute catalog exposes the storage strategy for each column. A value of X for extended means Postgres will compress the data, and if it still exceeds the threshold, move it out of line into the toast table automatically. The classic trap is a careless select star on a table with a large text or JSONB column. Even if your application ignores that column, Postgres must cross the heap into the toast table for every matching row. A reviewer should always flag select star when a white toast column is present. 3 things to lock in. Updates write new tuple versions and leave dead ones behind, so bloat is always an MVCC artifact. The ctid is a physical pointer that moves on rewrites, and projecting only the columns you need is not style, it is a direct lever on toast I/O.